Let's take a look at the chart action for Bitcoin. Okay, so here's what I'm watching right now. We have resistance right here, resistance right here. We have this trend line going down like this. So until we break this trend line going to the upside, then I'm pretty much thinking that it's going to give us resistance, possibly. I don't know if we're going to even be able to come back up to there quite yet, but I think until we break this one, that's the one that I'm watching. The other thing that I'm watching right now is if we jump over the 1 hour time frame, we also have resistance right here, resistance right here, resistance right here, and it looks like we're kind of bouncing something like that. Let's go. I'm kind of curious if we're going to hold support right here and break through. Trend line that I'm looking at on this little time frame and the 1 hour time frame is something like this. If we could break this trend line going to the upside, then maybe we can look at a reversal. Maybe we could come back up here. I don't know, maybe we could start looking at the previous resistances. The top of this little area right here is sitting at around 41,000 approximately, and I think that'd probably be the next spot that I'd be looking at if we can break this going to the upside. Is around 41,000. Until we do break this trend line going to the upside, then I'm thinking that it might give us some trouble and push us down. It just depends on where we break it, but I think once we do break it, then maybe we can look for that as a little signal that we might be coming up to this level. And if we break out of here at around 40, if we break like 41,000, then maybe we could come up to these levels over here. I had been watching a Fibonacci retracement. Let's go ahead and delete everything. I've been watching the Fibonacci retracement from this bottom to the top over here, but I think once we broke this trend line, we had support from these ones right here. We had support and support. I was watching this trend line and we broke it right here. So what I'm thinking, maybe I should have dragged from, instead of this bottom over here, drag it to this bottom over here. Right now, it does kind of look like we're bouncing on that level, or the 61% level, I believe. Yeah, at around 37,900. We got a little bounce right there. Kind of like I said, it kind of looks like we're getting a little bounce. We got a little bottom right there and a little bottom right here. Let's see if we can bounce out of this little trend line on this time frame here. I'm also watching this support and this support. Let's go ahead and do another trend line, something like this. I mean, you can see that we're clearly trending down. We're getting lower lows, lower highs, lower highs, lower lows, and until we start changing that direction, then it seems like we're pushing down. I think if we break this trend line going to the downside as well, because we're in this pattern, if we could break this trend line as well, maybe we'll get a bigger move, a bigger red move, and we can start looking more at these bottoms. One of the levels that I was looking at is around 33,000. And then if we zoom out more, let's go to the 4 hour time frame. That's good. We also have this bottom right here where we bounced right at around 30,000, 29,900, somewhere around there. So like I said, let's go ahead and delete everything. The main things that I'm watching is this downtrend right here. And then we also have one on the 1 hour time frame, something like this. And then if we zoom out, we can put some horizontal lines on the bottoms, maybe something like this, and something, let's go to the 4 hour time frame so we get a better zoom out, and then something right here at around 29,000 and 33,000. Check it out on your own charts though. If you like these videos, hit the thumbs up. And if you're new to trading, check out this video right here, or this playlist. It'll help you do technical analysis on your own charts. And it'll help you get started with TradingView, and you can follow along with the videos. All right, if you guys like the video, hit that thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.